I am spreading the love with my favorite middle school math Valentine's Day resources. If this is your first time here, my name is Kathy Martin and I help 6th, 7th, 8th grade and Algebra 1 math teachers experience more aha math moments and save time and money with lesson planning and math resources. I am sharing with you my ultimate favorite four free, count them, 4 free middle school math resources that I'm going to be using up until Valentine's Day and maybe even beyond Valentine's Day because it'll totally work. If you're here thinking, oh my God, say less, where can I get these resources? Go ahead and click the link in the description box below right now and you can grab them, download them, and use them right away. But feel free to hang with me because I'm going to be sharing with you in this video exactly what the resources are and how to use them. So let's dive in. I'm spreading all the love here because Valentine's Day is all about love. And well, we're math teachers, so why not just combine the two, right? Okay, so the first activity that you're going to get are my favorite, really one of my favorite middle school math resources as a whole. They are task cards. And this task card set is all about solving equations with variables on both sides. When you print them out, you will get 15 cards like this. And I'm actually just going to share my screen with you so you can see what the full resource looks like. So these are all the task cards. You'll print them out, you can cut them out. You'll have an answer key and students will have a page that they can work on and to be able to show their work. You don't have to use this page. I personally like it, but you can certainly have your students use piece of paper, whatever you want to do. And big teacher hack here. If you have the time, if you can, definitely try to laminate these because it will just keep them in better shape so you can reuse them. I don't have all of my task cards laminated. I just, some of them I do, some of them I don't because I just don't have the time to laminate all of them. But the ones that are laminated are just a little bit more, just in better shape. So, but I clip them all together and they stay pretty well intact because I train my students to keep them nice and pretty. The second activity that you're going to get is my other favorite after task cards is a coloring sheet. This is all about multiplying, dividing integers. So when you print this out, students will have the work page here, and then they will have the page to color here. I did not color it because I don't want potential students to see the answer, but you will have an answer key as well. And again, let me share my screen with you so that you can see exactly what it looks like. So again, here's the sheet with the work. Here's the coloring page. And then this last page is your coloring page. Thirdly, probably one of my favorite activities to do during this time is my M&Ms ratios activity. Of course, the best part of this is to use M&Ms. But if you cannot use M&Ms, if your school is like, we don't really allow food, totally fine. Feel free to use counters, like little counting bricks, whatever you have. You could, anything you want that has multiple colors that you can just take a handful of and give it to your students. I like to go to Walmart, Target, wherever you go shopping, like Costco, and get the mini bags of M&Ms, the little mini ones that, usually like the ones that are like square like this, that you pass out during Halloween is perfect for this activity. If you want to be an amazing rock star teacher and give your students regular size bag of M&Ms, oh my gosh, they are going to die and go to heaven because they're going to complete this activity. They're going to have so much fun completing this ratios activity, learn about ratios at the same time, and be able to eat their candy at the end. So if you want to take a look at this activity and what it looks like when you get it as a PDF, it looks like this. Again, there are actually no answers to this because answers will vary because not everyone is going to have the same amount of M&Ms in their bag. finally, this last activity is all about decimals, fractions, and percents. I'm going to scooch the screen over just a little bit so you can see. This is a pixel art activity. This is all on Google Sheets and it is self-correcting. So right now you're looking at this and you're like, what am I looking at? So it is a blank, basically an Excel sheet. Students will answer each question like this, place their answer in the box. And if they get it right, the Excel sheet itself will pop up with some colors. If they get it wrong, nothing will happen, and that is the student's cue to try again. So let's try it. So it says write the fraction 3/4 as a decimal. So I'm going to put in the correct answer, 0.75. So you can see a strip of blue has appeared on the screen. Write the decimal 56/100 as a percent. Okay, so 56/100, boom. So you can see a strip of black has appeared. Write 78% as a decimal. Okay, so I'm gonna, look, I got another bit of it right. Write the fraction 9/10 as a decimal. So let's just say I get this wrong. I'm gonna put in 90. You can see nothing happened, right? Okay, so oops, I got that wrong, nothing happened. So let's make sure I get it right. Boom, more of the puzzle has come up. Okay, so you get the hint. Once students have finished, you can see that the image looks like this. We got a little heart going in the spirit of Valentine's Day. And again, this is all about fractions, decimals, and percents. And if you missed what I said earlier, you can grab all 4 of these activities totally for free to use in your middle school math classroom today or tomorrow or next week or whenever you want to use them. But they're totally free. I'm spreading the love here because I love Valentine's Day and I love being able to combine holidays like Valentine's Day inside of our math classrooms. I'm so excited for you to grab these. Let me know in the comments below which one you are most excited about using. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Let me know how these activities go. Bye for now.